everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with my August 2019 junk journal. And so let me go ahead and share with you. Actually, I'm sorry, I don't think this is my July junk journal. July and August. Sorry, this is July and August junk journal. I combined July and August. I'm using Echo Park Cartabella. Paper collection I got from Tuesday morning. And so in here I have kind of a selfie, which I don't, do very often, because it was my birthday. July 1st is my birthday. So I have a selfie of myself and some journaling on the back of that. And then it's July 4th. So I've got some things about July 4th. I did a belly band, doing fireworks, little cousins. And then this, I just made a library pocket, some journaling, keeping it very simple. And then one of the things I like to do is do some different cuts. So this is actually a scallop circle die, and then I just kind of folded the paper in half and cut it so that it didn't cut all the way through on the other side, so that there's another piece of it on the other end. I did a paper bag, did some journaling. My daughter got her braces off, and our dog was happy when my kids came home. This is my first day back at work, and first day of school. They played hooky, went to Disneyland. So, and then in here, it was National Dog Day. So, pocket. Tried this new place. I made a Dutch baby pancake. I made a shirt. My mother's birthday, and the end. So this is a really fun kind of project, and what I like about it, this was made using envelopes, and I used a Creative Crafticality junk journal envelope tutorial that she has on her site. But you could very easily just fold papers together and staple them and just go to town decorating and putting different things inside of it, scraps, things like that. It's really a great way of utilizing a paper collection that you don't know what to do with. And because for me, when I scrapbook, I usually am doing something themed, like birthday or some kind of sports or a vacation. But sometimes there's sort of these generic paper collections. This one's a family one. And these make really good little projects. And they are really fun. And it's a fun way to get pictures off of your phone. So a lot of these pictures were taken either from my phone or my daughter's Instagram to do this. She takes a lot of pictures on Instagram, or posts them. So that's where all my pictures came from. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.